Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the new iOS 18 features. So here I'm going to show you the newest update, which is here iOS 18, which has been released recently. So it's a beta version. So the first thing I want to show you is the cool things, is the new customization features. So as you can see here, we used to have applications where we drag an application and then it doesn't stay put. Now you can place it anywhere in the screen, so you can do more customization, as you can see right here. So I can place it right here, right there, and right here. So there you go. Those are the new customization features we have here. So of course, the next is the updated control center. So basically here, we have a new updated control center. It looks like this. And as you can see, it's pretty cool. So we have this new type of interface, even with the mics and stuff. So as you can see, the power button is up, located in the top right corner. We can add new features right here. So it's kind of buggy right now. There you go. So we can add new controls, as you can see. So we have a bunch of new controls right here. So we have translate, we have stopwatch, we have recognize music, we have more. You can pause the video if you want to scroll on each one and check it out for yourself. So as you can see here, you have hearing accessibilities, motor accessibilities, notes, even Apple Music, even remote, and sounds and utilities. You even have your vision accessibilities here. So this is useful for people with disability in your vision. So as you can see, you can also adjust it right here and make it long, short, and even bigger. So there. So here you have your next. We can scroll down into music. So as you can see, we're listening to music right here. And third, we have our controls. So we used to have it right here in this section right here. Now it redirects here too. So you have your airplane mode, airdrop, Wi-Fi, cellular data, Bluetooth, personal hotspot, and VPN. So here you can do a fourth customization bar. You can add your personal items right here if you want to. So there you go. So those are the cool new things that's been updated right here. So the next feature right here, as you can see, is our lock screen. So what's new about the lock screen, you see? So here we can customize our controls now. So you have more controls right here, like camera, scan code. It's not just flashlight right now, but I like it as flashlight and my camera only. So those are the new features right here in your wallpaper. It's pretty cool, right? So the next one is hiding apps. We can hide apps now. For example, we want to hide our journal. So here you can also do require face ID, and we can choose to hide this. So how? We just drag this right here and go to the very right, scroll down, and then now we can drag it to your hidden. So right here you can drag it in hidden. So for example, it will use your face ID right here, as you can see. So you can drag this and probably place it in hidden. So there you go. It's just that simple. So the next things that we have here are limited contact access. So I don't have that in my country, but we can do that in a later video. So we also have our new game mode. So I don't really have a game here. Oh, we do. So we have Minecraft, for example. So bear with me, guys. It's gonna do game mode in a while, but I don't think it recognizes Minecraft as games. So here it's not recognized, but it has game mode now. There's gonna be a game mode which will utilize, prioritize more the game and reduce background apps running. So basically that's it. So there's also a new redesign in the Photos application right here, but I can't really show you since I do have a lot of private photos. But for this, I'm gonna show you how it would look like. So right here, this is how it would look like. So see, we have a new redesign, so I'm not going to scroll any further since you're going to see other items you should not. So these are my screen recordings, of course, for you guys. So that's the new redesign for the Photos application. So we also have a new iMessage features on the way, but it's not available yet. So those are the new things that we can expect here in iOS 18. So basically, we also have screen mirroring. We have another video according with that. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.